What if I told you that the app you installed to protect your privacy was actually a Trojan horse, a digital spy sitting in your pocket, watching every move you made, even when you weren't using Facebook? In the high-stakes world of Silicon Valley, some products are simply failed experiments, but according to investigative reports and deep dives by analysts at Fern, one specific product stands alone as Facebook's most dangerous weapon. It was called Onavo. Today, we're unlocking the vault to reveal how Facebook used a security tool to crush competition and spy on millions. Welcome back to Buried Truth Vault. Onavo Protect was marketed to the public as a high-end VPN, a tool designed to keep your data safe from hackers and minimize your data usage. But behind the sleek interface, it was the ultimate surveillance tool. Facebook didn't just want to know what you did on their platform, they wanted to know what you did on every single app on your phone. Based on the chilling revelations by Fern and leaked internal documents, we are breaking down the 5 most dangerous ways Onavo changed the internet forever. The first danger lies in what we call the wolf in sheep's clothing strategy. This was a masterpiece of corporate deception. When Facebook acquired the Israeli startup Onavo back in 2013, they made a very calculated decision. They didn't rebrand it. There was no Facebook logo anywhere near the app. Why? Because Mark Zuckerberg and his team knew that savvy users wouldn't trust a VPN owned by the world's largest data gathering machine. By offering a free VPN, they specifically targeted privacy-conscious users and teenagers. When you flipped that switch to protect it, you weren't encrypting your data from hackers, you were handing the decryption keys directly to Facebook's servers in Menlo Park. Every URL you visited, every search query you typed, and every app you opened was logged and analyzed. This leads us to the second and perhaps most strategically lethal aspect: killing the competition. Internally, Onavo acted as an early warning system for Facebook's acquisition team. Through Onavo's data, Facebook could see exactly where the attention economy was shifting in real time. They saw that users were spending less time on the main Facebook app and migrating toward a small, rising startup called WhatsApp. They didn't have to guess. They saw the exact moment WhatsApp's growth spiked. This inside information allowed Facebook to swoop in and buy WhatsApp for a staggering $19 billion before it could ever become a true threat to their empire. Later, they used this same Onavo insight to track Snapchat's declining user engagement the moment Facebook launched Instagram Stories. Onavo wasn't just an app, it was a weapon for digital monopoly. Third, we have to talk about the targeted surveillance of minors, known internally as Project Atlas. This is where the ethics hit truly rock bottom. Facebook bypassed the Apple App Store's strict privacy rules by paying teenagers as young as 13 to install what they called the Facebook Research app. In reality, it was just Onavo under a different name. They paid these kids $20 a month in gift cards to give Facebook root access to their phones. Think about that for a second. For the price of a few pizzas, Facebook bought the ability to see private messages, photos, and web searches of children. They were literally purchasing the digital lives of the next generation to fuel their data engine. The fourth danger was the bypass of the walled garden. For years, tech giants like Apple and Google have tried to build secure ecosystems to protect user privacy. Onavo was Facebook's way of blowing a hole in those walls. Because a VPN sits at the network level, it sees everything before it gets encrypted by other individual apps. This allowed Facebook to gather deep intelligence on rivals like TikTok and YouTube. They could see exactly how long people stayed on a specific video or what features kept them engaged. It gave Facebook an unfair, godlike view of the entire mobile ecosystem, allowing them to copy features and crush rivals with surgical precision. Finally, the most lasting danger of Onavo was how it normalized spyware as a service. It set a dangerous precedent that a multi-billion-dollar company could disguise a surveillance tool as a helpful utility.
Even after Apple finally banned Onavo from the App Store in 2018 for violating privacy policies, the damage was already done. The data Facebook harvested during those years helped them build the advertising juggernaut they are today, a machine built on the back of harvested privacy. If this level of corporate spying shocks you, you aren't alone. Information is the most valuable currency in the modern world, and companies will go to unimaginable lengths to get it. If you want more deep dives into the secrets big tech doesn't want you to know, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for Buried Truth Vault. And I want to hear from you in the comments. Did you ever use a free VPN without knowing who actually owned it? Your experience might help someone else stay safe. The story of Onavo isn't just about a deleted app. It's a cautionary tale about the true price of free. When the product is free, you are the product. Facebook's Onavo experiment may be officially over, but the data they gathered is still in their vaults, influencing the algorithms that control your feed every single day. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and keep searching for the truth.